What did you want? Oh! What? Are you crazy? From me? Oh, here we are again. Return to the channel of Gigi Sfortunato, Guru Gigi, okay? I make fun of myself, I know, I am not the guru. I am just the stupidino, try to help you with this stuff, okay? Lesson number 3, we talk about the pronunciation of the English again, no? But I must explain, to explain you why Gigi, why, because I have my ambition, no? My ambition number 1 now is changed. I want to become the influencer, no? For the shirt, no? For the shirt. Immediately I make the big mistake, because all of this shirt was a make by, the company is now dead, is now bankrupt, is gone, no, is più della camicia, no? Beautiful shirt for me. I put, I think every time, okay, I put the different shirt, then they see, oh, it's a Gigi, you look beautiful in this shirt, but this company is no exist anymore, okay. Today we talk about the pronunciation of these symbols. Questo F e questo che look like, non lo so, kettlebell or something strange. Questo è symbol F. In italiano non abbiamo F, no? Only when you're very drunk you say F, no? This also V, no, with the voice, no, V. Quindi you say F, with no voice, F, e questo V, like this, V. The world, no? The ocean, V, no? Questo F. Problem, the big problem, is that in many words you have this in together, no? So, some words, not only words, but I give you straight away the examples, no? So, we can to say this is the tooth, no? Tooth, okay. Tooth. You want to say il dente? The tooth. The tooth. So you have a V, a T, a F. Casino, eh? Cioè, the. You must make the ginnastica in your mouth for this. You must to practice. I give you another example. This is terrible. Toothbrush, toothbrush, for to clean your teeth, no? Okay, this already very difficult, no? Try this. How you say this? Try this. 13. Okay, we can say this, you know, a big problem. 13, non è 13. Però il 13esimo. Oh, now you put the th here, also the th here, the beginning and the end. I go crazy. 13th, no? My teacher, he had me think, you must to put the tongue between the teeth, not too much, because otherwise you bite, you hurt, very hurt. But 13th, Friday the 13th, venerdì 13, you know, it's a very unlucky day in some countries. For me, every day in Italy is very unlucky. Every day is Friday the 13th in Italy for me. 13th. Okay. We go back to another beautiful word we do before. If you remember from the other lesson, you probably don't remember because after 3 minutes you think Gigi is boring. I changed the channel. I watch maybe skydiving, a car crash, or the porno is more exciting than Giovanni. Giovanni Gigi is fortunato, no? This here is a the, no? Although. So, here we have the, no? So, this, we find many areas of the English language where you have this very strange, terrible things for the Italiano. You look at this, already he go crazy, no? Already his balls explode. Okay, this because my teacher, he said to me, you go to England, oh, you study the grammar, you're beautiful, you have a 9 in English, you get a 9 in English in the school, no? You get off the plane, you start to interact with the persons, and you understand nothing, zero. You don't, because you must to be aware of these problems, okay? Okay. We leave the grammar, the language for me. I must to explain one thing to you, no? I want to escape Italy, escape this country. Il bel paese, beautiful country, everything is beautiful, beautiful people, bella gente, monumenti everywhere. But if I want to find the work, a good work, no? In England you go, maybe no, I know, but maybe now after this Brexit, bloody Brexit is all change. I don't know this. I want to go from here to here. Okay, to find a work, no? Where? In England, you go for the work. The first thing they tell you is about the money, okay? They say, oh, okay, you will earn £10 an hour or 15 sterling for an hour or whatever it is, no? They tell you no, subito, immediately what the money they get, they pay you, okay? In Italy, this is always the last thing they say. Also, maybe they never talk about the money, and then you have to say after maybe a month or 2 months in your work without the pay, or to the boss, oh, maybe, excuse me, Mr. Capo, maybe you can maybe give me some money. But we didn't tell you, there's no money, you volunteer, you make a tirocinio. This, okay? Because to find the work in Italy, you must be raccomandato, okay? Recommended, for example, you have your uncle, your brother, your father, somebody know big pezzo grosso, big boss in the company, in the comune, in the government, who say, oh yes, oh this is Giovanni, Gigi, no? Gigi, he's very clever, a very good person, no? You take him, maybe you buy me something, you take me for aperitivo, you give me some money, a bustarella, like this, and then, so, you have many, because I do not know anybody, none of my relatives, no, and they are not important people, no? They do not know anybody, they speak pezzo grosso. So I cannot find this, but what happened is many people who are deficienti, morons with no brains, they are recommended, they are recommended to go and work in a beautiful job, maybe in the town hall or in the government or where in the morning they arrive at the 9 o'clock with the tessera, the little card, they can chuck it like this, and then they go to drink the coffee, make the shopping, and maybe they come back later and they far finta, they pretend to be working. This is not possible for me because I do not know anybody important. So, this is the background. So, I want to be influencer, poche speranze. Probably Gigi will not be an influencer. Who I influence now? So just a lot of poor students who try to learn this language. Okay, basta, is enough for today. The next video, I don't know. I don't think about this, but in the meantime, I will meditate. I will meditate like Gigi and Guru Gigi, and I will let you know. Bye bye.